I have officially been on YouTube for a complete 1 year. I mean, today marks it 1 year I have been on YouTube. Can you believe it? Time flies when you are creating content, right? But let me tell you something. This journey has been weird. I mean, YouTube is hard for people that haven't got, like, for people that haven't cracked the code very well. There were highs, lows, and a lot of lessons learned along the way. So today I am sharing with you the top things I wish I knew before starting YouTube. Whether you are a new creator or just curious about what goes on behind the scene, this video is for you. Oh, and stick around till the end because I'm revealing the one thing that completely changed the game for my channel. Before we get into it, let me ask you this. Have you ever spent hours editing a video only for it to get like 50 views, 30 views, or even 10 views? Yeah, me too. I have been there, and that is just one of the many struggles I faced in my first year. But here is the thing. I learned how to fix it, and I'm going to share you exactly how I turn things around for my channel. So if you are tired of feeling stuck or overwhelmed, keep watching to the very end of this video because these tips are about to save you so much time and frustration. If this is a video you want to see, please go ahead to subscribe to the channel, like this video, comment in the comment section and hit that notification so that anytime I publish video like this, you will get notified. So let's dive into the main video. The first thing is consistency, but not in the way you think. Consistency, everyone says you need to post consistently to grow on YouTube, and they are not wrong. Yeah, they are not wrong for saying that. But here is what I wish I knew. It is not just about posting every day, you are posting every week. It is about finding a schedule that actually works for you. I know how many countless times I've keep saying it on this my channel. And if you see any schedule that works for you, my dear, please stick to it. In the beginning, I was so obsessed with posting every single week that I burned myself out. Like every day, every night, I'm not sleeping. I wake up in the middle of the night trying to bomb ideas, brainstorm on ideas. I was sacrificing quality over quantity. So my advice is start with a realistic schedule. You don't have to combine your work or your 9 to 5 jobs with your YouTube. Just whether that is once a week, every 2 weeks, or even once a month, and stick to it. Your mental health and your content will thank you for that. The second thing that I wish I knew is that your first 1,000 subscribers are the hardest thing to get on this YouTube. If you have experienced getting 1,000 subscriber, or if you are experiencing or struggling to get your 1,000 subscriber, let me know in the comment section and I will tell you the hacks and tricks to get your first 1,000 subscriber like I did. Let's talk about getting your first 1,000 subscribers. Feel like climbing Mountain Everest. It is hard, but here is the secret. Stop focusing on the numbers of views that you are getting and start focusing on building a community. Once you build a community, those community will always be there to watch your videos. Even if the title of your video is not what your audience are searching for. So far you have built a loyal fan. These people are going to watch your video. Like, I made the mistakes of obsessing over my subscriber count in the beginning. Like, I was curious about my subscribers to be increasing every day, and it sucked the joy of me creating my content. What I learned is that your first 1,000 subscribers are your ride or die fans. They are the ones who will watch, comment, and share your videos. So instead of chasing numbers, chasing views, feeling worried, like feeling so rejected that you are not getting views, my dear, focus on creating content that resonates with your audience. Before you make any video, make sure you search on the YouTube. Search that particular topic you want to make on the you want to create, whether people have created that video. Yes, if people have created that video, now watch those videos and get ideas from their videos. Trust me, the rest will follow up immediately. So stop obsessing on the numbers and start focusing on creating what your audience want to see. The third in is thumbnail and titles are everything. If you don't know how to create a thumbnail, if you don't know how to craft a title, my dear, your growth on YouTube is like a dead person. Yes, let me just use it like that. Here is a hardest truth. No matter how good your video is, if your thumbnail and title sucks, like if it's not grabbing attention, no one is going to click on it. I learned this the hard way. Like I learned it the hard way and I learned it very, very well. Like I took my correction. In my first few months when I started creating my first YouTube growth videos, I spent so much time on my videos. Like I was taking my time, I was spending so much time. I was extending much of my time, but get barely any time on my thumbnail. Like I don't spend much time on my thumbnail because I think that title will help me. But this is a big mistake. Your thumbnail and title are the first things people see. So whenever you are making your thumbnail and title, forget about the video. Okay, just focus on the thumbnail and title. So they need to be eye-catching and clear. Use both text, bright colors, and make sure your title tells people exactly what they are going to get from that video. Oh, and don't forget to use keywords. I have also explained and I've also made a video on how you are going to add your keywords, like for you to know the difference between keywords and hashtag. So this is the video here. It is a best video for you. I will explain why that is so important in a minute. Just hold on to this video. The fourth thing is analytics are your best friend. Yes, when I first started, I avoided looking at my analytics because I thought they had just made me feel bad. Yes, because anytime I go to my analytics, I will see this thing. Like if I click my impression click to rate, YouTube will tell me that, oh, people aren't choosing to watch your video, people aren't choosing to watch your video. So changing your title and thumbnail could help them get more viewers, but some topics get fewer clicks. Like how many of my videos are people not going to see? Like I was feeling so bad because I don't know what the analytics is all about. Like I was feeling so bad. But here is the thing. Your analytics are like a roadmap to success. They tell you what is working and what is not working and where you can improve. As a YouTuber, you need to have a YouTube studio where you check the performances of your video. If you are a content creator on this YouTube and you are not making use of your analytics, you are not going to your analytics to check your video performance, my brother, my sister, you never start to. You are just a novice on this platform. So if you know that you don't have YouTube studio, go to Play Store. For those that are using phone, for those that are using iPhone, just go to your Apple Store and type in YouTube Studio, then download it from there. Make sure that every of your video, in the first 24 hours you have uploaded your video, make sure you go to your analytics to check if that video is performing well, because that is a mistake I never knew. Like had it been I knew this at the initial time, I would have been making use of my analytics. For example, I noticed that my audience retention dropped off halfway through my videos. So I started adding more hooks and keeping my content more engaging. And guess what? My watch time went up, and so did my views. Like, I am so excited to have made these changes. So don't be afraid to dive into your analytics. It is one of the best way to grow your channel. The fifth thing is the one thing that changed everything. I know this is a part you have wanted to hear, but if you have gone to the point of this video, please give this video a massive thumbs up and comment in the comment section. Subscribe to the channel. Here is the moment you have been waiting for. Okay, so the one thing that completely changed the game for my channel. So listen attentively, just pay attention. Okay, the one thing was focusing on solving problems for my audience. Instead of me just creating content I thought was cool, I started asking myself, what does my audience need? What problem can I help them solve? Once I shifted my mindset to serving my audience with their problem solved, everything changed for me. Like, my engagement went up, my subscriber grew. That was how I was able to gain my first 1,000 subscriber, and I started getting more positive feedback. So if you want to take one thing away from this video, let it be this: always put your audience first and not you. Okay, whenever you are creating content, always make sure that your audience is the first, and again, make sure you put your channel in prayer. Okay, if you find this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and let me know in the comment section what you wish you knew before starting your YouTube. And if you are new to my channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on your notification bells, because I post my videos every single day. At least 6 times in a week, you are getting shot of my videos. Oh, and if you want more tips on growing your channel, check out this video or playlist right here, where I break down my exact strategy for getting more views, like how to get more views the smart way. Trust me, you don't want to miss it out. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now. Subscribe.